Hey YouTube, sorry it's a little bit windy out here, but I just had to replace that positive cable. There was a little bit of tearing down on there. I just pulled off a parts truck down there where it's got the tape around it. Let's see. Maybe now you can see it. Sorry, I'm video on my phone. Don't really have the ability to edit too good right now, so if one of y'all can tell me about a good editing program, I can show y'all, or y'all can show me, and I can edit. Make sure it's in neutral. Let's see if she'll turn over this time. No starting fluid. Let's see if we can take the choke off. Nope. Okay, I know I got a vacuum line taken loose because it was running better with it taken loose the other day, but let's see what happens when I put it back on, see if she'll run even decently. I had to use starting fluid to start it the other day. Okay. She's not going to want to run, I know it. Running a little rough, but she hasn't ran in a while, and yeah, she won't run without loose. She ran beautifully the other day with a loose. So let's see if we can get her to hold her at a higher rev for a while. While she's revved. Okay, too cold to take the choke off. Let's just idle a little bit. Like I said, there's no starting fluid, and this is, okay, idle it out some. Okay. Just a Rochester single barrel carburetor, 250 straight 6. Got a little horn button in there. Right here, it needs a bulb up in there for that turn signal to work. The hood hinge is broke right there, in case you can't tell. It's good on that side, so let's see if we can let this hood down. Oh, don't mind it, sorry, just study down for a second there. Got some electrical tape there. Now let's see if we can get her to move. So push the clutch in, put her in first gear, let the e-brake off. Now I don't want to go too far because she's not running right. Got her in reverse, it's all the way to the left and back. And of course it's a flatbed dually. See if we can get her to take off in a second like she usually does without a load. Right here. E-brake. Don't work too good. I bet she'll die if I take the choke off. Nope. And she died whenever I gave it gas. Come on, girl. She don't want to run without choke right now. I gotta fully rebuild that carburetor. I'm surprised it even runs with the carburetor on. Got my little poop emoji thing that I got for Christmas from my mama. There. Got the horn button from an Impala. I was hoping I could get it to work on this thing. See, it would face like this, with the steering wheel like this. And I thought that'd be pretty cool to have, but I couldn't get it to work without rigging it up. The Impala steering wheel, I was gonna put that the whole steering wheel on here, but can't do that because the splines in here underneath the steering wheel nut are actually too small on this truck for the Impala. But I need to clean her out. And I'm gonna do a walk around. I'm gonna try to do more updates on this truck and some more YouTube. See, I pieced two carburetors together. That one's from 53. These are from, let's see, one of them, that one's from 53, and this one's factory from 64. The engine's out an 82 half ton. It's 250 straight 6. This right here broke off of this carburetor, and that's why I swapped it out. And let's see, the rear end was giving me so much trouble. The third member, I finally got that replaced, and that's why she drives. The third member in there is out of a 66 Chevy 1 ton. And this is all the old grease that came over there. Grease and stuff in there. Got my tractor jack on the bed. Got the big headache rack. I don't like the look of that thing up there, but let's see if I can get up there. This trailer which is helpful. Get up here and let's go this right here. This is where I'm gonna have my spare mounted. For right now, I'm gonna have to run 2 spares until I get either different drums or hubs or whatever to run dually front wheels. Hinge for this, because that's for my gooseneck. Hauling goosenecks, I love hauling anything. And I'm probably going to put it sideways and get it hinged sideways, that way the wind don't blow it over. I got the choke off now, but I gotta hold it at a higher rev. Oh, she's idling. Choke is off, as you can see. This right here's the choke. That right there, that's the piston keychain that broke, so I made it into my heater knob, which heater don't work. Used to, I don't know what happened. The radio does work. I doubt I can get it to play anything right now. Yeah. I don't think I have any speakers hooked up right now. But sorry for talking so much in my videos. I need to talk less. I know it gets a little bit annoying. Well, thank you. Subscribe, like, do what you need to. If you don't like the video, tell me what it takes to make it better, and I'll do what I can.